look what we have here is Trackslayer's 996 Turbo. There's Trackslayer's right there, guys, if you haven't seen them already. You said, let's look at this specimen car. I feel like I'm touching vintage right now.
Good,
like hot vintage.
You're good. It's in pretty good shape. It's not, like, it's clean inside.
It is clean inside. Is that a...
And I didn't even clean it. It's dirty as fuck.
Is that LV?
I didn't put it there.
Who put this here? Porsche 996. I'm in Trackslayer's Porsche right here, and let me tell you right now, this clutch is heavy as balls. We have to go switch out camera cards because we were using the S4 for a little bit, but now we're going to use the Plaid. This camera card to get some footage on this because we got some footage of this already. We'll go from there. And Trackslayer's Plaid. This thing is nice, real nice. You got a dog thing back here? Oh, he does have dogs. Driving this Plaid. Got the camera rolling. Getting some footage with Trackslayers. This thing drives weird with this yoke. I've driven this thing before, but like this thing is kind of like... Wow, this thing drives like a damn spaceship. It's got the 4-low side, Jesus.
$40,000 pick, right?
$40,000 pick that was in your water pump. That's nuts.
Yeah, dude.
It was sitting in that.
It was in the 911 Turbo.
So it's funny you say that because I'm over here scratching my head. I'm like, you got a pick in there? What do you mean you got a pick in there?
Yeah.
It shows me a pick, and I'm like, oh, that's a pick.
Yeah.
Also, guys, just drove this Plaid. 100% worth the price dollar for this. It does everything. I had air conditioned seats up my ass.
I would say, even if someone bought one new, say these didn't depreciate and aren't 70 grand, like this optioned out the way it is, you're at like 70 grand.
Really, just 70?
Just because they're used.
Oh, used now. Yeah.
They don't know how to value these yet. It's like, it's a weird thing. It's kind of too early. Oh, thank you.
Yeah,
I'll give you your thing back too. It's just too soon, bro. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Thank you for that. Thing's legit.
Yeah.
Send me a link for that.
I will. A company literally had me do a thing on this. I said, here. Yeah, they was like, well, can you actually, I'll put the link in there too, and you put it on Trackslayers. If you watch this next vlog, he'll have the link for it as well. But this thing is worth it, yeah, 100%.
Yeah, so, like, the MSRP on this was 149. I would pay 180 for this. It's so
it does
good.
everything. It does
it's just
really
so
do everything.
good. Like, just don't believe the bullshit you see on the internet. Like, take it from the people that own it, and from people that like are gearheads that have other cars. You know what I mean? I'm not just like some Tesla driver that loves Teslas.
Right.
You know, you've seen what I've had, and
it does check the boxes. It checks the boxes of everything driving this. Like
it's
I said,
just an awesome daily.
Right. It's going from, like I said, I've had nothing but gasoline vehicles from supercharged to turbos, but driving this, yeah, it's silent, but it does everything. You get up and go.
It makes noise inside the cabin.
It does. It's like, what do you call it? Is it ambient noise? Ambient? What do you call that?
It's not artificial.
No, that's what I'm saying. Like, that's what I'm saying. Like, it's like the noise you get. Like, you can hear tires chirp on this thing and you step in.
Nah.
You can hear it.
Here's what it is. It sounds like the supercharger on the Scat Pack we heard earlier. By the way, bro, if you're out there, this shit was sweet. You got 2 motors up front and a carbon woven motor in the back. It's a semi-permanent magnet motor, so there's no bolts that hold it together. It's a magnetic core, and then there's little pieces. There's so many ways I could explain it, but there's just all these little puzzle pieces that add in and they're magnetized together. Then it's wrapped in resin and coated in carbon fiber. That spins at 24,000 RPMs. That's what you hear.
Oh.
24,000 RPMs.
Yeah, we're not hearing the
it's not a
Frazonic.
street bike, it's a spaceship. You know what I mean? It's like a jet ski that can fly.
Well, that's why you hear that boom, 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 like the Jetsons type shit.
The reverse shit is an artificial noise, but when you accelerate and launch it, that is straight up the motor.
Yeah, that's what I was saying. Like when I got on it a little bit, I was like, wait a minute, this is
fun.
It is, but it catches you off guard. Like I'm the driver, and on top of that too, I'll show you guys in the earlier clip that the steering wheel, it's that yoke setup. I'm turning it, I'm like, what the hell?
It's hard to get used to, but once you get used to it,
yeah. But I think the newer ones don't get like a full wheel now.
Yeah, the full wheel comes standard. That's an extra option. That's why I'm saying this with FSD, the white interior, the carbon, I think comes on the plaids. There are better seats in the newer ones.
Oh.
And there's better hardware like cameras. You also have a front-facing camera in the 26. You have lighter wheels, better looking wheels. Although I painted these black with paint. But it's give and take. But I mean, this is like a fully loaded car from 2022.
Yeah,
it still runs 4.6s. Battery degradation, my ass. It still runs 4.6s. Once I get lighter wheels, which I'm getting them, this will be a first. You'll probably, if you put this video out soon enough, I'm getting wheels from Salt Performance.
Oh, the video's gonna come up.
All right, Teddy. That's every day, bro.
Every day. That's what I like near my house. I live right next to the highway.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm like, come on, man. You guys be flying.
I'm gonna buy one day. I'm covering up my address, but that's like the whole heads-up display. Everything you get, you can control everything from the car. There's other stuff I would show you, but I'm not going to because my address. But like, I'll just explain it basically. Like I can pop the doors, I can pop the trunk, I can pop the front. You know, I can do all that stuff from here. I can close it, and then here's the coolest part: the summon. We've probably gone over this before.
I think we did, but we didn't get the full listening. But now I'm like fully over here
Give it a minute.
doing the whole thing.
This might be a lot to edit out.
Also,
Might take a second.
shout out to this being a camera car. If you guys wonder where we mounted this thing at, we mounted it on basically the back ass end of his bumper. Well, quarter panel, yeah, it's quarter panel. And guess what? Shout out to these guys, Moto Blade. If you look at one of Matt's Track Slayers, one of his videos, he has this link for this. This is 100% worth it, and it did exceed speeds that we will not talk about.
I'll post the link in my vlog if you don't get the affiliate.
Yeah, just post a link in your vlog by all means. So, but this thing,
A couple people bought them when I posted in the last one.
I think it is a great item to buy. I know you guys can upgrade to the solar one. Is he summoning it right now? Yeah, it's moving by itself.
Now watch, if I actually summon it like to a location,
Mm-hmm.
it'll
Are you steering this thing?
no, I'm not.
Oh, it's steering itself. Jesus Christ.